Hello, guys. So, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS, and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So, if today is the first time you see our program, we're able to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So, for now, I almost start with today's morning show. So, based on the match where Arsenal won't play against Manchester United, against Man U tomorrow on Sunday. So Roy Keane will be the one of the legends of Manchester United. Roy Keane, Jamie Carragher, Gary Neville, Ian Wright. They're there for the overlap show. So they come they do their own analysis. So Roy Keane, they talk say Arsenal will beat Manchester United 2-1. See, because no city man you won't do for that match. Although the likes of Jamie Carragher and Gary Neville, they say they see 1-1. So Carragher and Neville, they one side. Roy Keane and Ian Wright, they one side. So those two believe say Arsenal will win the match. Now, Roy Keane and Gary Neville in complete disagreement over Manchester United versus Arsenal prediction sent to a message sent to the talented player. So when you read the entirety of the reports, what Roy Keane and Ian Wright predicted for Manchester United versus Arsenal. Now, Keane admitted that he expects Arsenal to come out on top, and the Irishman took a swipe at United co-owner Sir Jim Ratcliffe, his cost-cutting and amid his prediction. No, Arsenal will win, he said. Apparently, they've cancelled United's pre-match meal as well as a dig at Ratcliffe. Arsenal win 2-1. Keane then added, they are not losing. Arsenal 2-1. I'm going with Arsenal 2-1. In fact, this is like the first time I don't see Roy Keane. They support Arsenal with so much passion. And never really see this guy, especially against your team, because he no really like what they happen for Manchester United. He don't blast the manager, blast the ownership, don't blast the captain. Say which kind captain be saying no be captain, be the command the captain and ban from a hand. Say no make any sense at all. Now going on, so people like Gary Neville because they say this game could finish Arsenal off. This is the type of game Manchester United wins. The type of game United will turn up in. Responding to Roy Keane, so Neville got the talk say, okay, you decide Arsenal go into how will Arsenal get the goals? I don't want to score. I'm saying that the Arsenal no get striker. Maybe no one score the goal. I've been a Gary, Raheem Sterling. So Neville and Carragher agreed on the 1-1 scoreline at Old Trafford for Sunday's clash before Keane and Wright made their own collective prediction. So Gary Neville and Jamie Carragher's Manchester United. So now so that they do the arguments. But the truth is, Man United get a very, very bad record at the Old Trafford. All things being equal, then get some kind of injury problems to major key players. And for the fact that they play at home, I don't expect them to come and play 10 men behind the ball because you did for home now. You are expected to come out and defend your home front. But we never know the type of tactics where Ruben Amorim will deploy because Baba they look us the fear say make Arsenal no go disgrace us. But at the same time, on paper, Arsenal no get any recognized striker, so maybe that one go push him to come outside. But people will say, you're playing them behind the ball against a team that doesn't have a striker. Didn't you see what Nuno Espirito Santos, the coach of Nottingham Forest, said about Arsenal? That we played our normal 4 defense because Arsenal have no striker in Merino. So most see what in Arsenal Man you will do at the end of the day. So now, Mikel Arteta when they talk about the invitation or the potential invitation of Mikel Skelly, so the England setup and Luis and Ite so Baba say as e dey now say no be in hand e dey. Say na Thomas Tuchel hand na e dey. And he believe say Thomas Tuchel na coach wey be say he know wetin dey do. So na him go decide whether these two players they don't reach the stage of getting invited into the England setup. And if that be the case, they will be invited. May they come play. So Arteta hand no really dey. Some people don't support him, they invite them. Some don't dey against him, they don't invite them. But at the end of the day, the onus is with the coach. The coach then get the final say. So that's how it will be. Now, away from that. So Fabrizio Romano revealed the real reason why, as of now, Arsenal never appoint Andrea Berta as their sporting director yet. So Babako they confirm say they are waiting for the green light from the owners, the Kronkers, because Arsenal have not yet appointed Andrea Berta as their new sporting director because of the Kronkits. Berta, everybody knows that Berta is one of the big names in European football because I was listening to Fabrizio Romano's podcast and he mentioned this like I was the video in Talker. So when I looked at it, I could say, if Arsenal are waiting for the Kronkis to give green light to sign Berta, China, so then they wait for them to bring green light for them to sign players. Because they use the analogy, like the example, say if they feel they wait for them like this for director, what of players? What if don't that sporting director don't bring in players? Okay, Okochi, owner see this player, I want sign am because na the owners go bring money at the end of the day. What if the owner can say no, we don't like this player? Because nobody know wetin dey happen internally. So now all this small news wey dey come outside will come make us dey think of what if. We come dey assume wetin no dey in evidence. We just dey put in conspiracy theories and conjecture. So you sef reason am. If they fit dey behave like this for this Andrea Berta, because what is the plan? Is it that they want Jason Aitov, wey be the second in command to Edu Gaspar, to maintain the same position? If that be the case, come out and tell us. But for me, that Jason still dey learn work. So it go still make sense make him be deputy to Andrea Berta, make him dey under somebody wey get like much stronger contacts in the world of football transfers and management. Na wetin me dey really look at, make him still learn more, because he never really get that experience and the clout that is needed to make things happen. But no just dey see anywhere wey dey go, Shola, I dey here, I go dey let una dey know. Now, away from that, so Fabrizio Romano College give us updates also on Viktor Gyokeres. Now, Baba for explain say Gyokeres, the agents, and the president of Sporting, then do meeting. They don't get a conclusion. Say the guy go leave at the end of the season. It has been concluded, confirmed. Now they don't scrap that 100 million euros buyout clause. They don't come out. Say that is not the figure they are going to be looking at the end of the season. So what will they be banking on? So the contract says it's going to be a figure between 65 to 75 million euros. That is the figure. Yeah, he's going to leave, like confirmed. Fabrizio Romano, no argument. Say Gyokeres is going to be available. Because remember, Romano don't tell us before, say Gyokeres has a gentleman agreement to leave. At the same time, Romano still talk about Benjamin Sesko, say the guy did #1 for Arsenal list of strikers who they pursue. It doesn't mean they don't have other players in their list of strikers, but in the hierarchy of those who did that list, now Sesko be #1. Now, even football transfers, then Sef carry the story confirmed. Gyokeres summer transfer is on, because it is public knowledge now that for the presidents will come outside and say, okay, no wahala, we'll let you leave. You don't try for. So we'll let you leave. You don't try for us. My webcam just shifts as I record. So you don't try for us. We'll let you leave. So we'll just see how everything go end at the end of the day. So now part of the things where me, I be happy, you get, because for me, everybody doesn't see me. I like this Gyokeres gone. I like Isaac. Those two are my #1 and 2. Yes, Sesko feel like maybe third choice, but everything, because the amount you go take sign with Sesko is quite similar to the amount you want to take sign and Gyokeres. So what's the difference? So we never really know who and who will go for this Gyokeres. And also Manchester United, people are still looking at the fact that he may likely go join Man U, but I don't see that happening, because Man U, their project is a shit packer project. So why go leave us, come go join Manchester United with where they are in their project? So it don't make any sense, right? All right, so let's bring a message from one of our sponsors, so Smiley Shades. So smileyshades.ng. This is their Instagram page, their eyeglass there. They sell eyeglass for their shop in Egbeda, and they're located at Block D3, Suits 26, Olugbede Market, Egbeda, Lagos, Nigeria. So if you go there, they get unique optical frames for adults and kids, and then they fix prescription glasses. But one of their most popular products, where they sell, when they easy to buy for Nigeria, now it is Metal Ray-Ban Wayfarer glass. This glass, if you use and record, if you use and stream on social media, the glass they use Meta technology, AI. The glass, if you tell them make you play music for you, go play music for you, go connect to your earpod. So what is the major attraction to this glass? And the fact say, if you are driving or you walk out for road, just wear them. A normal glass like this, just wear them. You just use and they record anything where your eye is like this, you go to record them. So now what to make people they like, and many people are looking for where to buy this glass. So if you don't know where to get it, you can contact Smiley Shades. You can get in touch with them on +234 810 255 8090. Just tell them say now from CHUKS, and I assure you, we'll give you better discounts. Now, away from that, so it don't reveal. Say Arteta don't follow Like, okay, before that story they come up front. So this one are really about Raheem Sterling. Say how Arsenal staff really feel about Raheem Sterling amid his struggles since completing a loan move from Arsenal. So they said Raheem Sterling remains a highly rated and respected member of the Arsenal squad by the Gunners coaching staff, despite his struggles when they struggle on field. So when you check this guy statistics, he don't get just 1 goal and 2 assists in 22 games, which is quite poor. I must tell you. You get. So they say regardless of what fans they talk about him, they still respect him in the Arsenal side. Now, away from that, this is the story I wanted to say. So they say Arteta don't do meeting with Skelly one-on-one. They don't talk. Yeah, so over his rashness. This is from the Daily Mail. So Arteta they follow and talk so that what they do no go repeat itself. Even the Sun still carry the same story maker. Arteta hold talks with Skelly to stop him from being a liability after Arsenal stars lucky to avoid red in the Champions League match they play not too long ago. So that one said it make a whole lot of sense. So well, now small. I believe saving out with the talks, Arteta go groom him as they groom Gabriel Magalhaes. So small, he go get over that in rashness or high level of aggression or whatever you want to call it. Now, away from that. So the Sun, when you look at the match where Arsenal will play against Manchester United on Sunday, so they're going to ask whether Arsenal exploits the horror Manchester United statistics when they hunt Ruben Amorim's players. So now, do you know, say this Manchester United, where you see like this now, say for their own home, they get one bad form when they get. Now, they say if you look at Arsenal team, they are strange when it comes to results. Sometimes they can't hit a barn door with banjos, and sometimes, as we saw in midweek against PSV, they can put multiple goals in against the opposition. I'm looking at Manchester United here, and in 6 of their last 7 games at the Old Trafford, the opposition has scored at least 2 goals. That is a very bad record, which means they are very, very leaky. Manchester United have a leaky defense. Now they say I'm also looking at them desperately. I'm looking at them in terms of Andre Onana, who is a basket, the guy that Akpere, and the way that he doesn't fill the fans with confidence. So first off, you get what they talk for the first line. So if you look at Arsenal team, they're strange when it comes to result. And I want to Baba Sato talk some days ago. So when you expect say Arsenal go do well, you expect they make them win for you, but they go lose God. But the day where you can't say, oh, you know, to put body, you know, expect them say nothing will happen. Bad, they go knock 5, knock 7, knock 8, you say you go 4. So now what's it then they talk say normally many people don't come for this Old Trafford. You know that man look at Manchester United last maybe 4 games at the Old Trafford, opposition they first score. So now they talk say people they go there, they score goals like what opposition they go there, they play a thing and then they home, they score. So why can't Arsenal go there and do the same? This match now, we see the Manchester United that they will come step up and stand up. Like say them be Real Madrid or prime Barcelona. But against small team now, they go the Shalaski and that's all football be. You cannot predict it. So that one said this. So I think we'll bring a message from another of our sponsor, Mobi Water Associates and Co. Limited and Construction Services, dredging, canalization, real estate and shop protection works, and they also do mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to get in touch with them, they call them on +234 80642234, and they're located at number 7 Kennywood Road, Oriazi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of the services, please do reach out to them. Now, the biggest news of the day, I'm the fact of Roy Keane will be Manchester United legend say Arsenal will beat United 2-1. Say nothing Manchester United won't do on that day. That is tomorrow we'll play. So my dear Arsenal lovers, I think it's a fine place for us to call the show an end. So till I come your way in the evening to give you the evening news. So then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your day. Get out. All right, guys. Bye bye.